time for a wild camp. Let's head for Cromer. Quiet doggies. Okay, good morning everybody. As you can see, we've stayed the night here in the car park. That's us there on the far left. And there's quite a few motorhomes already here and camper vans already here at about 10 o'clock last night when we got here. A few more have arrived overnight, and some cars have obviously arrived for the guys who are either got the spot and scopes out bird watching or just here for a bit of beach fishing. It's a lovely morning. Brand's looking for a stick. This is the North Norfolk coastal path, I believe. And you can see the windmill in the distance and the pillbox below it here on the left, closer to me. So there are actually technically no facilities here, but there is a compostable toilet open 24 hours. All the paint display machine, which I'm still in the free zone, so we'll be leaving very soon. And then there's like a little picnic area. It's quite nice. All about fossils and stuff. Explorers welcome. Nice little facility here, if people respect it, which they appear to be doing thus far, which is nice. At the moment the tide's well in, but I love these chalets, these little huts. Must be 30 or 40 all the way down to the pier at least, probably more than that. Somebody's out surfing already. It's 8 AM on a Monday morning. Say that this one appears to be for hire for the lifeboat guys. Sorry, I hope this isn't too loud. I'll have a little Google and see what the website says how much it is. But I'm loving the quirkiness. We've got a little gas stove in there, cups. Lovely view. As I say, the tide's well in at the moment. But there's usually at least 100 meters of beach when the tide's out.